To keep your Cochlear Nucleus 7 sound processor free from moisture, make sure that you store it in your dry aid kit every night. For optimal drying effect, store your processor fully assembled for 8 hours. You should replace the moisture-absorbing dry brick in your dry aid kit every 2 months. It is important to keep accessories clean. Blow on connectors to remove any dust, and clean accessories with a soft, dry cloth. Check the microphone protectors for signs of dirt or grime, and replace if needed. For long-term storage, you should remove disposable batteries from the battery module before storage. If you are using a rechargeable battery module, remove it and store fully charged. When storing more than one rechargeable battery, be sure the connectors do not touch, as this could short the batteries.